Welcome back. It's Ram Navami Day on Wednesday, the day of which Rama was born. People across the state celebrated this day with great fervor. It is believed to bring serenity and happiness. The temples across the state witnessed huge crowds on Wednesday afternoon. Thousands of followers got together to take part in the festivities. Have a look at this.
श्री सूर्य थांबला राम जन्मला ग सखी राम जन्मला ग सखी राम जन्मला ग सखी राम जन्मला ग सखी
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
5 kg rice and 2 kg wheat for an APL card holder for the month of March. Don't get shocked, it's true. Department of Civil Supplies has reduced the quota of public distribution system. It is but obvious people are not satisfied with this quota.
Surendra Madkekar, our reporter from Vasco, tried finding out whether people are satisfied with this quota. The answer we got was a big no. APL card holders questioned how they could serve their 5 to 10 member family with just 5 kg rice and 2 kg wheat. They were also complaining about quality of wheat and rice.
आम्ही दिसा 1 किलो रांदता 5 दीस जेवपाचे बाकी दीस उपाशी रावपाचे
त्या सरकाराक किती मागणी आहा तुमी
आमचे किती आमका सारखे दिया राशन दिता जाल्यार पे गहू कसले
महिन्याक 15 किलो तरी
दिवपा जाय न्हू आमचे
बेस्ट गहू म्हणल्यार सामके हे खांडवा भशेन कितें गहू पळयतलो तूं म्हाका दिसता डुकर सुद्दां खावपा ना मनीस सोडूच
महीने तक 5 किलो चावल कैसा होएगा 2 किलो गेहूं देता है 5 किलो चावल देता है तो 20-25 किलो तो चावल 5 किलो तो गेहूं देना मांगता नहीं.
The fair price shop owners are also not happy with the reduction in quota.
आमच्या सरकाराकडे अशी मागणी आहे आमकां जर प्रॉफिट मार्जिनान वचपाक जाय आनी सोसायटी जर सारकीच चलपाक जाय तर कमीच कमी एक तर मनशा फाटल्यान तांदूळ दिवपाचे नाजाल्यार कमीच कमी 20 ते तांदूळ 5 किलो गहू दिवपाचे तरच आमची सोसायटी चलूं शकता.
10 किलो मेळटाले तेन्नाय बीन आमकां प्रॉफिट तितलेच मेळटा आनी 5 किलोन दिले तेन्नाय तितलेच मेळटा पण खर्च आसा काय ना तो डबलीन आमकां जाता कळ्ळें. त्याच्या खातीर सरकारान आमकां इल्ले प्रॉफिट मार्जिन कितें वाडोवन दिवचें अशें म्हणून आमी याचना करतात सरकारा कडेन.
After listening to all these grievances, we met Inspector of Civil Supplies Department of Vasco. She said that they are acting as per the notice from the head office.
आमकां प्रेस नोट येयलो आहा न्हू ते प्रमाणे 5 किलो आनी 2 किलो आहा वीट 2 किलो रायस 5 किलो ते प्रमाणे आमकां कोटा धाडला ते प्रमाणे हांवें डिस्ट्रीब्यूट केला सगळे मुर्मुगांव एंड वास्को ऑल फेर प्राइस शॉप्स.
Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkekar, for Prudent Media.
NIO has successfully nurtured the endangered species of seahorses at its aquaculture facility at Donapaul. This is a big achievement for NIO. The breeding technique can help researchers to produce seahorses for ornamental fishing industry and exports.
Seahorses are endangered marine species. India was contributing to about 30% of global seahorse trade until 2001. But these species were overexploited. Later, they were brought under Schedule 1 of Wildlife Act 1972 on par with tigers. Seahorses have huge market in China and other Southeast Asian countries for medicinal reasons. NIO has successfully nurtured 3 generations of seahorses at the aquaculture laboratory at Donapaul. First generation of oceanic yellow seahorse or Hippocampus scudas were brought here in 2008. From this parent seahorses, 2 more generations of this species were produced at NIO's laboratory. Seahorses live for 4 to 5 years. Their diet includes mixed zooplankton, artemia and wild mysid shrimps. For NIO scientist R.A. Shripada and his team, it's a big achievement.
It is not for the aquaculture for the food as you think for the prawn and fish. It is aquaculture. We are developing technology for a specialized industry like ornamental fishes, for example aquarium fishes, and also for the export we are achieving some good results with all standardization of various techniques like tank design, giving appropriate feed, because we have to see the mouth size of the fish and mouth size of the juvenile, and you have to feed. So feeding density has to be optimum.
It was a big challenge for whole team to breed this species.
Now we are using advanced tank, in that we need not to change water for 12 hours like that. So initially it was very difficult to get a survival. Now it is comparatively easy with the advanced technique.
Basically this food for seahorse, it comes from where?
Yeah, generally from wild also, and as well as we are culturing in laboratory here.
The team has closed the life cycle experiment of this yellow seahorse. But NIO scientists are continuing their work on various aspects so that in future their aquaculture becomes a success. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Shan for Prudent Media.
Just see how happy Rakesh was over there. Illegal hill cutting at Skonsua has created fear in the minds of locals as the monsoons are fast approaching. They claim that the hill cutting is so deep that it's a threat to the houses in the locality. Surprisingly, Deputy Collector and MLA are aware about it but seem helpless.
This is almost 50 meters deep hill cutting at Konsua. This hill cutting has created fear in the minds of the people of losing their houses.
उदक बरोन कोस दोंगर कोसळोन येता आनी आमच्या घराचेर पडटलो अशें म्हूण आमकां भिरांत आहा सगळें घर वयतलें.
कितले घरांत रावता?
3 घर आहाय ते.
केन्नासून काडटा तुमी आसतना पयले आसतले?
पयले आमी सकल आसताय न्हू म्हणटरे आमकां तो तितलो आवाज येयना वयर आनी ते आमकां कळ्ळे उपरांत आमी वयर येवन पयलें तेणें आमचें बरें डीप घातलां आनी आमी मागीर तें सगळें कंप्लेन केल्ली.
Locals have filed a complaint in this matter.
कंप्लेन हांवें पंचायती दिले, कलेक्टरा दिल्या, मामलतदारा आनी पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर आनी CMान दिल्या आनी मायनिंग.
त्याच्या उपरांत तुजें कितें हांगसर एक्शन जालें काय कितें कंप्लेनी उपरांत?
तेजे उपरांत फकत थिंगा पयले पुलीस येयल्ले आनी तेणी 2 जाणांक काम करतना घेवन गेलो तो पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर. उपरांत तेंगे इस्टमेंट बाकी घेवन तेंकां सोडले.
It seems like Kottari MLA Moin Gudino is also helpless. He said he had raised this issue before, but no action has been taken as yet. He has hinted involvement of Keens of government administrators in this act.
But illegally this hill cutting is going on there. I have complained to the administration, but surprisingly administration is not acting. So I am surprised that in spite of my best efforts this was not highlighted. I hope at least now it will get highlighted in the press. This huge illegality which is going on with the blessings of the concerned people who are in the government, and their kith and kin are involved in the extraction of mud and stones, which should stop immediately. And I will request the Chief Minister to see that the administration acts.
Deputy Collector of Murgaon, Rajan Satardekar, said that the concerned authorities should look into this matter.
Yeah, I am aware of that matter. Basically, Prima facie, it appears that he has taken permissions from concerned department, and accordingly the hill cutting was done. But now it's also we have observed that it is going little more. I mean, it seems to be little dangerous. So I'll be personally visiting it, and definite action will be taken to avoid any untoward incident, particularly during monsoons, which is fast approaching now.
Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Matkaikar.
Time now for another short break. We will be right back.